Okay, so I hope you can hear me because I have my mask on, but I am here at Maaco about to get another makeover on my Honda Accord. And this time, just like last time, I do have body damage. So I'm gonna show you where my body damage is. It's right there. Yep. And I'm also doing a color change. It's Monday, November the 23rd, if I'm not mistaken. So I should have it back by Friday. Let's see. Oh my God, that is so cute. It looks darker on here, but it's actually lighter. It's so cute. The dent. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God, that's so cute. All right, I hope you can hear me. I am at a car wash, but this is the update on my makeup, paint job, and body work. And my grill is not teal anymore from the very, very first paint job. It's purple. And the body work that was done to the car, fantastic. All right, you guys, stay tuned for the next one.